In this video I will tell you how to check and edit exported trim lines. I open menu Others, click Export Result Viewer. To upload exported files, click Open File. In this folder we can see on the file EDZ extension. In the window in right side you can see content of this folder. It contains exported STL files and trim lines with different extensions. Our file EDZ allows us to upload all these files. In this list we can see all uploaded files. To open the file, I just click at string. Each STL file has trim lines different formats. I opened a file with a problem intentionally. Now I'll show you how to fix this problem. To start editing, I should switch on checkbox Edit Contour. We can use hotkeys to change tools very fast. To edit this line, I choose Group Movement and I can move these points. Press button S, I can change brush radius. Now I switch on tool Smooth. It works as you can see. Tool Optimize uses special option Optimal Distance. It defines distance between points. I can change this value with scroll. After I applied brush, it created additional points. For Group Movement tool, I can use combination of Auto Smooth and Auto Optimization. As you can see, it makes our line smooth. To reduce the amount of points together with movement, I switch on option Auto Optimize. You can see Group Movement tool simultaneously optimizes amount of points and smooths line. Also I can change mode of brush. I set here checkbox brush size in pixels. The difference is this radius is constant relative to the screen size. If I want to make local changes, I zoom in model, and to increase capture area, zoom out model. If I switch off brush size in pixels, therefore radius of brush is constant relative to the model. All files were changed are marked by yellow in the list of files. There are two options: Save current line changes and Save all changes for all files. I click Save current line changes. After that, it marked by green color.